Welcome back. Is it time to right-size your home so you can spend more time with family and friends and less time on that home maintenance thing? Well, Pete Nordling, and a real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Premier Property, is joining us right now to talk about some exciting ways that you can right-size Sukasa. All right, Pete, thanks for joining us, my friend. When it comes to right-sizing your home, what should someone be looking for?
Well, I often get the conversation going with people will say, you know, we love our present home, but it just doesn't work with our lifestyle now. We're talking about remodeling and we're doing all of that. Well, changes of that nature maybe aren't the answer. Maybe what is needed, maybe a condo, perhaps an apartment, maybe a twin home, or even just a different single family home. That's where I can help.
Does right-sizing, though, I think a lot of people equate that with downsizing. Is that a fair assessment or no?
No, not really. Maybe what's happening is you have grandchildren now. Maybe you love to entertain. Maybe that doggone kitchen is way too small, and maybe you need a big gathering spot, an open-style kitchen and living area. There's a lot of personal reasons that we talk about right-sizing. And there again, that's something that we can help. Maybe you don't need that 4-bedroom. Maybe 3 bedrooms is what you want. Maybe living in a 2-story for years, you now need to get rid of the stairs. These are all manners of right sizing. And maybe of all of these things, don't mean less square footage, but maybe it does. There again, that's where I can help.
We always like new news here on North Dakota Today. So I hear you got some exciting kind of new opportunities, some new options for right-sizing.
Oh, I'll tell you what, development and associated plans and permits are nearly done for this development. All that remains are some I's to dot and some T's to cross. I had hoped to show the plans and floor plans and ideas, but that just has to wait for final approval. Our sister company is on the verge of announcing that development, and it is something that is exciting and would be very different from what we're used to seeing, and will change the way our local adult real estate market looks and acts. By the way, it attacks that right sizing thing head on. The development is a community, if we will, of single family standalone homes. There's going to be a clubhouse, which includes swimming pool, gathering areas, meeting rooms, kitchens, all of that kind of thing, fitness centers. All of the houses have exceptional privacy. The interiors can be personalized and made as comfortable as you want. The floor plans are built to maximize livability. In other words, that right sizing thing again. All are designed with the idea of adult living needs. They're not slab on grade. They have crawl spaces. This may sound like a sales pitch, and I guess it probably is. But if this kind of thought provokes some interest in people listening to this, you got to understand, there's been a ton of thought and planning put into this development. I've been in this industry for a long time, and it's tough to get me excited about anything. And this development has got me going.
Pete, we gotta wrap it up there, my friend. How do people get a hold of you?
Good. Well, 701-799-7324. Text or call, or just run me down on the street.
Pete, I don't know if you can see it, but that is a stunning headshot of you. So thank you for the insight. We appreciate it, my friend. We'll talk to you again soon.
Thanks for the time.
All right, stay with us. We got much more coming up right here on North Dakota Today.